I don't know what we should talk about, man. Because, like, we just spent like 30 freaking minutes in there and doing nothing.
With our striations. What are they called?
The grid.
No.
What are you talking about?
Forms. The muscle.
The striations.
Striations.
Good. Talk to mom.
What else I got?
Okay, copyright, bro.
Oh, shit. My fault.
Not too much on that. Apologize if I have no manners. But yeah. Some people just pulling up in front of us. They're gonna look at us weird because we
What the fuck up? What are we doing with our lives, man? What the fuck is
Bro,
this
thinks
bullshit?
Bro thinks we're unemployed. Okay, I gotta cut that out because we're gonna be like, beep, beep, beep. You can just tell that my brother's just heavy on that cursing. Bro never left his middle school era, clearly.
Bro, who this guy? Who give him black belt?
Bro. Plan is to ask women on Valentine's Day for the numbers. I know, right? Genius. Not so genius. Because the mall is dead right now. I'm not gonna lie.
I've been trying to tell your ass, man.
Beep. Yeah. Still have completely dead. So, it is what it is. But yeah.
There's no bad biddies. There is, bro. No bad biddies.
He's saying they're chopped chuz out here, so. But. We made a deal that we both would get a number 4 with him, so we have to keep up with it. But, I mean, I know you guys can't see him, but it's just weird because the camera doesn't want to work, but it is what it is. It is what it is. I didn't eat these chips like this because I don't want to get like the cheesy fingers. You know?
You talking about? Now you got cheesy fingers, bro. What the fuck is you thinking, bro?
Nah, I got Cheetos that's what the lows, which I think I'm gonna look so weird eating this right now because I'm like literally taking them out into the joint now. I'm not surprised. Yeah. You can tell my brother's so antisocial right now, bro. You're not even talking. Huh? We're supposed to have a conversation right here. For the vlog, like a mukbang type of vibe.
Alright, so boom.
I know where we're going. What? I'm very scared, but Jake Paul the other day was in our town.
Okay.
And
Back again.
Oh, wait. He backed up. Hey, bro, that's so nice. I gotta cut this 1 second now, though. I can't see that because I'm on camera. But, him and his friends were trying to meet him.
You fucking shit, my fault. Oh, you so bad, bro. We fumbled.
Y'all were late, huh? How late were
Barely, bro. We there was like a photo of people who met him, and we met them.
Mm-hmm.
So like we were like literally like
a couple seconds?
Yeah.
Damn.
Some bull crap. Real talk, man. Some Bull crap.
I mean, I'm pretty sure I'll be here again. But when that we don't know. We're making a big deal just because our town is so small.
Got nothing to do.
There's nothing to do there. There's nothing to do. We literally had to travel. I literally drove here for an hour just to go to the mall because there's nothing to do at our city. So we had to go to a different state. Then that's what we did. But yeah, we're gonna try and bag some numbers here at the mall. Boost my confidence, you know. But what else could we talk about? I mean, we could talk about Champions League right now. I think Liverpool or Real Madrid will be the winners. But I'm not gonna be surprised if Real Madrid gets knocked out. Not this week, but next one.
Different one. No,
I don't like challengers. You didn't bring no drink, did you?
I got sparkling water.
That's club soda.
Sparkling soda water. Fucker.
Damn.
Oh, my fault.
You're gonna make me edit a lot. This segment. But yeah. What's that? Not too crazy today. A freak, man. I'm so petrified right now about what I have to do.
Bro, it's not that deep.
Because I've never done this before, but apparently you have, and that's okay. I don't really care, but. I'm just so not impressed with myself so far. I forgot to bring my fish oil. Sucks, bro. I'll get that for the next one. Man, I'm getting colder. I'm in here. Bro. I'm getting hot. Damn. Stop. I got to eat them chips by before. You know, you tacos are smacking right now, bro. We're Mexican, if you couldn't tell already, but right now. This week has been rough on me. But it is what it is. Type B. That's the beauty of it. We're not even talking about anything. We're just making up nothing, bro. We're talking about nothing. You're not even in the conversation or nothing, bro. Alright, what would we usually talk about? Well, we can talk about the cookie verse.
Bro.
Actually, I know what we could talk about. We finished How I Met Your Mother last week. And the ending disappointed me so much. Like, it's unfathomable. Without spoiling it, it makes me mad.
So what basically happened was, man, that shit pissed me off anyway.
I don't get how you spend a whole season doing a wedding just for them to break up near the end. At the final episode. Have them get a divorce. But it was brought to my attention that when Ted begins a story, he begins it with Robin. So when you look at it at that point of view, you understand, but if they're gonna do that, then why have...
Even, especially after their honeymoon, like, holy shit. I could have done it, like, way farther into their lives, at least. To make it more realistic.
Mm-hmm.
But right after the honeymoon?
But, yeah, I don't get why they would introduce the actual mother if she wasn't going to be the mother for the whole series. They were supposed to be the whole mother.
Crazy, man.
So shout out to Sophia Falcone. You know. But, she was barely even in the show, bro. That's why. I don't know. That makes me mad. That ending. The whole dynamic. So I can understand why some people, like myself, dislike the ending. But I can see why some people can somewhat agree on the ending, but I just can't.
Shit got exploded.
I also don't like how, you know, it would have been better with cheese on it. I would have
I get my protein in, man.
But yeah.
I'm done with that.
That's how I feel about How I Met Your Mother right now. Pretty good show, pretty funny. Barney being my favorite character out of all of them. I mean, his antics. Clearly. Bro brought his club soda.
Oh!
Bro, but yeah.
So fucking good. Oh, my fault.
Now let's talk about my favorite topic, politics. So,
yeah, shut up.
I'm not gonna talk about politics. That's a private conversation. But
Family friendly, man. This is for kids.
yeah.
You think kids should learn about politics at a young age, or do you think kids should learn about politics and like what's going on, or do you think that's like for
They deserve to know.
for the teenagers?
No, they deserve to know what's going on in the world. Why keep them hidden from the truth of reality? That the decisions that we make will affect them in the future. That's how it's always been. And it'll always continue to be. And my generation now is facing the repercussions of what older generations did. They refused to listen. But whatever. I'm just waiting for the next Odyssey movie to come out, man. I'm excited for the Superman movie to come out. I'm a huge DC bro. But you got my brother over here who's a Marvel bro. Excited for the new DC version.
They're gonna be wet. I can tell.
Bro, did you already see the reviews for the Captain America movie? It's
Yeah,
like
it said
50.
it was fire.
It was like 50 something. I saw some people saying it was bad. Which I have not seen the movie, but I would be willing to see it because it should be interesting to see Sam Wilson take on the handle. I always like Sam Wilson. He's the original Falcon. What makes me mad is other people are outraged about him being in Captain America movie. So what? Why can't he represent America? What's wrong with that? You know, I don't even want these chips down.
I don't know. I saw a comment on a TikTok saying like, it's like someone was saying something about how Miles Morales isn't Spider-Man. He's Miles Morales.
Yeah.
What?
He's his own self, yeah.
I mean, yeah, he's still a Spider-Man.
It's why he's the anomaly, because he wasn't supposed to. So what's that movie supposed to be dropping, bro? They've been pushing that day for way too long.
29. No, it's
Bruh. They've been pushing that movie. They are too lazy to make those movies. Way too lazy.
Did that?
It was supposed to have been come out last year in July, I remember.
I thought it was this summer.
I don't know when it was supposed to come out, but I just saw that they moved the date again.
Because last year was into. No,
that was 2 years before, because I remember we watched it late.
No, not that. I'm talking about the second movie.
That's what I'm saying. That's when we watched it. I didn't even watch I still haven't watched the first one. I've watched the second one, but I haven't seen the first one. So I am hyped about the third one, but I don't even know. I mean, it made it interesting. It made sense when I watched the second one, because we were like, oh, okay.
That's gonna be making a mess.
Free protein, y'all.
Protein, man. Protein. This thing even got protein.
Probably has 1%.
Same.
But yeah, this video is gonna be down at 17 minutes already, bro. It's gonna be hella long, but I think I just make this a separate video.
I'm about to ask couples to swap phones to ruin some relationships today, man.
So today I'm here with how bad you trust him? I forgot how the question was, but something about how well you trust him.
How much do you trust your partner?
And if they say all the way from well, do you trust him enough to switch phones? Have more people pulled up now, or?
Barely.
The protein bar so little, bro. I can't believe I had to test that shit. Not ready for that. Yeah, more carpools. I know what I'm Invincible, bro. New season, gas.
Pretty good half.
New season right now, going gas removal. Cecil is him. Cecil is that dog. I'm just worried about Mark and what he plans on doing. So are y'all ready for this or not? Tomorrow, I'm taking a fire pit. It's be like Spider-Man for real. Be the oncoming Spider-Man right up. Oh. It's gonna be whack. I'm gonna make it a thumbnail by that point. If I'm dedicating time. But keep it on top of about Valentine's, you know. Valentine's Day is weird. I've never have I once in my 20 years of my life I've celebrated with somebody. I wanted one.
They're doing cards in the world, bro.
I live in my own bubble. Clearly.
That's why we doing this today, man.
No. But I need you. I need to see it in front of me. I'm gonna do it. But
They're back already.
I think they even want to get some food, yeah.
I'm just seeing us. Why are they still here?
Man, they got the steak special. That was good. I want them.
The what?
Charlie's or whatever.
Oh,
Blue cheesesteak.
Yeah.
That shit busting, bro. I think we're busting that stuff. That's when we have money, but now we don't.
Yeah, we're getting evicted in our apartment. And got no money for food. I'm gonna be homeless in a week.
If I ever get homeless, I'm literally working a job, bro. Construction. Oh. I'm doing blue collar jobs, bro.
Maybe we could do flooring. Technically, you get that.
I'm doing different trade, bro. I'm not doing flooring, but that shit hurt my back each time.
Yeah, but like you still know how to do flooring.
But I was gonna learn doing construction, real construction.
But I think you need a good amount of money to buy the supplies first. Cause I don't think they give you the money to do it.
Do what?
They'll give you the money for the supplies.
What supplies?
Cause you get cause Herman or he has to use his own money for the supplies, and then after it's done, he gets to he writes it down how much it was and stuff, and they pay him back for that amount.
Mm-hmm. Well, I'm doing construction though, so I'm working for a contractor. The same way it runs all the place right now.
Yeah, that's why I said you need like a good amount of money, so could really do that.
Honestly, we should probably do some stuff here. Some repairs. We just gotta set up a Facebook.
Yeah, because I got stuff to do now, so I can't.
Bro, you know how much you can charge a person for a repair? Like 200. They'll do it just because they want. They just want something to be done like that.
Yeah.
Gonna overcharge. Because at the same time it makes sense, but at the same time it doesn't. Because people overcharge all the time.
What's that one dude? Upsell. It's raining. Upsell.
Well, we're done eating. We're gonna head back in the mall. I will report whether or not we'll get a number or not. Put his muscles up. Put your muscles up, bro. You're embarrassing. You're embarrassing.
She saw me flex. Ooh, I can give her the roll. Right in
Bro,
front
you
of
gonna
him.
whoop your ass right in front of you, bro.
Right in front of him.
But yeah, catch y'all on the next vlog or next week, I guess it'd be, because this is gonna be a separate video. We got that through a car wash. I don't know why. Hold on. As we speak about being broke, that's what I spent my last money on. I got money, so I don't want to spend it.
I got none.
Well, he got.
I'm
money.
actually broke.
He's actually broke, but I got money.
I spent all my money yesterday.
What she said? What she said? Yeah, give me cheese. That reminds me of that.
Oh.
I don't got any money, bro. Rest in peace, bro. Rest in peace. Yeah, real one. Catch y'all later. I don't know how to do an outro. Yeah.
Like this.